Hey guys, hope you are well. This hair has seen some things, and by some things, I mean life. So let me break it down. I started off with this gorgeous flexi rod set, and it gave what it needed to give and lasted for about a week and a half. I then switched it up to this cute fishtail updo, which lasted only a few days, and after that, I just threw my hair in a bun and yeah. I I left it alone for 3 whole weeks, and listen, I was close to accidentally starting freeform locks. Like seriously, my roots are extremely matted, and yeah. But hey, we are here now, and today I'm gonna show you how to properly detangle neglected 4C hair without breakage. But that's not to say do what I did. Don't be like me, guys. Don't neglect your hair. Anyway, let's jump straight into today's video. First, I section my hair, and no, my parts are not perfect because forcing a comb through matted roots, now that's a one-way ticket to breakage. So I gently part with my fingers and do what I can. I then mist each section with warm water, not soaking, just damp enough to help soften the hair and open the cuticle. A steamer would be ideal as well during this process. And now for the star of the show, the Shema Conditioner. It is silicone-free but full of moisture, and the slip is amazing. You'll see how amazing it works into my strands. It instantly softens and starts loosening tangles. I always start with finger detangling. It gives me control and lets me gently separate big knots without snapping my hair, and honestly, with this much slip, the tangles just melt. Next, I use a detangling brush. Is it fancy? Nope. But it's actually one of those brushes with those little balls at the tips, which is not ideal. But because the slip and moisture from the conditioner is so great, I'm not too worried. I start at the ends and work my way up, and hold each section taut to protect my roots. This way, shed hairs and tangles glide out instead of causing knots further up the strands. Once the section is fully detangled, I twist it up to keep it stretched and prevent it from shrinking and tangling again. Because what's the point of doing all that work just to have it tangle up back again? So that's why I like to keep it stretched. Because 4C hair, we all know that 4C hair loves to coil back up, so this step is non-negotiable. I repeat this process for each section, so it's water, conditioner, finger detangle, brush, and twist. Slowly, steady, and gentle. This whole process is also my prepoo, which means prepping my hair with moisture before shampooing. This helps prevent high growth fatigue. I leave the conditioner in my hair for about 30 minutes and I throw a plastic cap over it and just let my body heat do the work while I run errands. I don't use a heat cap or a dryer, so it's just a plastic cap and me trying to get my life together. So after that, I shampoo my hair while it's still in twists. I'm not going to show that in this video. I've got so many wash day videos. You can have a look at one of my playlists. But this keeps everything neat and prevents it from tangling again. I don't apply conditioner after shampooing because I just like to streamline my wash day and not take the whole day washing my hair. So my shampoo is sulfate-free and moisturizing, so my hair still comes out feeling clean, soft, and hydrated, so no extra steps are needed. In fact, I think I want to do a video on whether or not deep conditioning is necessary, but that's for another day. So yes, we detangled the madness, and please don't do what I did. And leave your hair in a bun for weeks on end, because 4C hair is beautiful, but it needs care and consistency. But anyway, if you found this video helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And tell me in the comments if you've accidentally ever started a lock journey with a crusty bun or anything similar. But thanks for watching, and shout out to Shema Hair for keeping my hair moisturized even when I'm not. I'll see you in the next one, guys. Bye.